Hey, welcome back to the channel. I know that's a lot of noise outside, but yeah, this trip gonna be different because we are not traveling with bikes this time. Right now I'm in Calcutta. To be precise, I'm in Vardhaman right now. We are heading to Darjeeling, and the reason why I'm not traveling in bikes is like there are multiple reasons. Right now we are in Vardhaman. This place is around 90 kilometers from Calcutta. It took us around 1.5 hours. But right now, after this place, the roads are not good. It's around 4 a.m. exactly, and the problem after this stretch is like we would not be getting good roads. So the total distance would be around 670 from Calcutta. It was showing us around 12 to 13 hours. Yeah, roads are not that good. Our route would be very specific. We started from Calcutta. Right now, we are in Vardhaman. Then we'll be like crossing Malda, then Farakka, then Siliguri, then yeah, Darjeeling. Let's see how it goes. This time we are not traveling in bike because the reasons are also very specific. One of the reason is the West Bengal election. We thought it won't be very wise decision to travel during elections. And the second is like lately we came to know with some of our friends who have previously traveled to Darjeeling was it's raining. It's raining very heavily out there. This is actually scary. ये कौन सा पार्ट है तुझने? Like जगह का नाम क्या तुझने में?
का नाम ये तो कुछ नूतन ग्राम गया अभी थोड़ा
Like how far it is from Vardhaman?
वर्धमान क्रॉस करके चलेगा
Like how far it is from Vardhaman?
हार्डली 15 किलोमीटर हाँ 20
That was actually scary.
पीछे वाले का पीछे का मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ तब से वो आ रहा है यार पास आ रहा है
फिर से हुआ ना? आगे है और भी. Like this was something very very sudden.
हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट ही कर रहे थे एक्चुअली इस टाइम ऑफ द ईयर में ऐसे बोल हो रहा है ना तो धीरे धीरे
Yeah, good morning everyone. It's around 5:30 in the morning, and you can see around it's totally cloudy. Kushni was finding it difficult to drive, so we thought of like we had coffee, so we thought of like having some coffee around. This place is around 50 kilometers from Vardhaman, and I think we have crossed almost 150 kilometers from Calcutta. It seems around more 500 kilometers to Darjeeling from this place. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. I can just show you around. I think 250 kilometers we have covered, and it's 8:30 in the morning, and I think मैं अभी देख रहा था अभी और 450 किलोमीटर लाइक 420 किलोमीटर है टू रीच दार्जिलिंग. रास्ता इतना खास नहीं है. लाइक इनिशियली टिल व्हाट वाज दैट प्लेस टिल वर्धमान, फ्रॉम कैलकाटा टू वर्धमान इट वाज बहुत अच्छा था. बट उसके बाद से इट इज़ नेशनल हाईवे बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट वेल मेंटेन्ड. पैचेस हैं, टोल गेट्स पे बहुत भीड़ है. इवन इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम ऑल्सो, लाइक इन अदर प्लेसेस व्हाट पीपल प्लान इज अर्ली मॉर्निंग टाइम पे दे कवर मैक्सिमम किलोमीटर्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. बहुत रश है, रास्ता बहुत ख़राब है. एंड गांव का एरिया ही है, तो बेसिकली भेड़ बकरियां बच्चे आ जा रहे हैं बीच में. वी हैड कपल ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स इवन, बट नथिंग टू बी वरीड ऑफ, टच वुड. So let's see. हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि we would be reaching around evening 4-5 p.m. Let's see. प्लान तो था कि अराउंड 2:30 3 o'clock पहुंच जाना चाहिए मैक्स, बट अब लग रहा है कि नहीं होगा, पॉसिबल नहीं होगा वो. इट विल टेक अ मोर टाइम टू रीच अराउंड क्लोज टू 5 p.m. Let's see how it goes. So far so good. बहुत सही है अब तक का ट्रिप. थोड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल है बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट हैव मच स्लीप. We had a dinner, everyone had a dinner around 9 p.m. Then we had a sleep till 1 o'clock. We left Calcutta by around 2:30, 2 o'clock. And yes, nobody is sleeping in the car even. All are like shouting, मज़े कर रहे हैं बस. So basically this is the car in which we are traveling. It's Maruti Suzuki Ritz. It's of my friend Tushneem, and that's how it is. So basically let's see. I think we have not even covered the half of the trip. Let's see. We are having some good chai times. What was that? क्या था भैया?
Bengali cereals. Garma garam.
Overall, the stretch was actually very bad, like today of patches and traffic in between. But like luckily, we have found a very good stretch after कौन सा जगह था? After Moorgram, that's like 50 kilometers from वो क्या था जगह का नाम?
Moorgram.
नहीं, उससे 50 kilometers from वो जगह वर्धमान. Yeah. Let's expect this road to continue like this, but we know that it would be not that good. But yeah, let's see.
Surprise awaits.
Surprise awaits. In the previous stay, like we met couple of like people who were traveling on 4-wheelers. Basically, they were on an India tour. Like those are like super energetic people. Like there are a couple of like brothers and sister and one guy.
Berhampur Farakka Expressway.
Yeah, I've been to Farakka like बहुत पहले गया था when like I think I was on 10th grade तब आया था Farakka barrage. I don't know like how it is now. ट्रैफिक रहेगा क्या वहाँ पर?
It's supposed to be, yes. मतलब Farakka traffic is very notorious because एक बैरेज है और उसके पैरेलल एक ही ब्रिज है और उसमें अप एंड डाउन बोथ.
मतलब वो सिंगल वे है.
Single way. So and the road condition is not that great.
Can we instead take that train route?
क्या?
हाँ तुम लोगों को
नीलू is high on sunshine.
SPF 50.
सनस्क्रीन लगाया है लोगों ने. Tired? You?
Me?
हाँ?
A bit.
चलो
Fine.
ठीक है. नींद लगे तो बताना. I will take a rest. Because no one knows driving.
I wish नींद लगे तो बताना. I'll take the hot seat. ऐसा बोलने वाला कोई है
नहीं, no one is there to do that.
Trust me, I can.
No, it's okay. I
नहीं.
don't trust you.
We want a trip, not a hospital tour.
Hey.
I can
Don't
drive
say-
at 10 kilometers per hour. The thing is,
दे कुछ दे.
चलते रहो 20 के सीट पे चलते रहो. ये जिंदगी है फरक्का बैरेज पे.
This is Farakka, and like since last half an hour we have only like managed to cover only couple of kilometers, and I think this would continue for rest more 1 or 2 kilometers.
our driver,
Such
heavy
a-
driver.
Heavy driver.
Heavy driver it seems. HD.
I wish I had a bike. I could have gone to that pedestrian road and
And got some challans done for myself and my bike.
See.
Chacha,
That's a beautiful place.
240 FPS पे ले हम लोग स्नैप ले लेंगे उसमें से.
अब पता नहीं अब कौन सा FPS में ले रहा हूँ, बट आई एम टेकिंग अ वीडियो. This is just we have crossed Raiganj now. It seems it's 1 o'clock, and I believe
Did you reveal to your viewers that your bladder might burst at any moment now?
I know I need a washroom to pee right now. This is truth, and these assholes are not taking any break.
We need to move on towards the Himalayas.
uh, 5:30 in the evening. We have like more 100 kilometers to reach Darjeeling. We are hell tired. Road was pretty bad in between. Like before Islampur, the road was pretty bad. Man, like dust, traffic, railway junctions. Nothing was going right. Nothing was going right. We had some issue. The car also in between, like the horn was not working, and even the lights were not working in between. But again, I think it was due to some battery issue or something. It went like good after some time. We have stopped here to have a beautiful sunset view. Let me just clear it. Yeah, some beautiful sunset. We are having some tea and coffee. Some are having kushneem, and Neil is having a bit of snacks also. Yeah, let's see how it goes. We are not planning to go Darjeeling today evening only. There is a place as Kursulong. We are planning to stay there so that at early morning we can go to there is a place as Margaret's Deck. We're planning to go there, and then after that we can go to Darjeeling from there. So it would be like good early morning to Darjeeling. Let's This looks absolutely beautiful and stunning. Oh my god. This is one of the best night view I've ever seen in traffic. So just reached Darjeeling. So this is not exactly the place Darjeeling, but yeah, on the district of Darjeeling. I'm super excited. I don't know like how I can express it, but yeah. We're having momos, we're having black tea, she's having normal tea. I don't know what to speak. I'm super excited. Like these guys were looking crazy, like kya ho raha hai isko? And I was like somewhere else. It's chilling 16 degrees Celsius also.
16 degrees is not chilling, my friend.
तो मेरा इधर हो रहा है chilling. मेरा हो रहा है chilling यहाँ पे.
Can someone pay?
मेरा बैग में होगा with a lot of problems, not exactly problems, but bad road conditions and a bit of problem in the car. We finally reached our hotel in Kulsong. We haven't went to Darjeeling. We thought of like going it in the early morning to have a good view and all. So we planned it earlier even to stay in this hotel. We were not expecting this hotel to be exactly that good in this price range, but yeah, it's a very good hotel, you can see. And I think all of the credit goes to Neil. I don't know from where he got it. He bought this beautiful hotel. So this is one room, and this is the room exactly. And that side, just let me show you how the view looks like. The view is amazing here. Amazing. I don't know if you can see how beautiful it is, but it looks amazing actually. And this room सोया नहीं है क्या वे? There Tushneem and Torsa are staying there.
Feed the
So,
clueless
yeah.
navigators.
So what I'm planning, me and Nicholas will just like enter their room in the midnight and just steal their properties, steal their cash, steal their gadgets.
Just don't steal our footages.
We won't do
Tips
that.
वाले भाई.
Yeah.
So chill.
भाई like मेरे को नहीं पता, like it's so good man, this place. अब पहले तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि विल,
Started to have a running nose.
मेरे को लग रहा था, मैं तभी तेरे को बोला था when we were having the momos there. और मेरे को एक प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है, क्या पता है कि आई वुड बी लाइक कल तक मेरे को ठंडा होगा धीरे धीरे. नहीं. Thanks for watching the video, and I can just assure you this that you would be getting much beautiful more footages, because अभी तक आपने जितना भी देखा है ये सफ़र था हमारा कैलकाटा टू दार्जिलिंग का. But what exactly is Darjeeling? I think you're gonna see that in my next vlogs. There are many things, pretty that there. I cannot express what kind of things we're gonna explore over here, but I can assure you this that whatever we are exploring, ये आप तक पहुंचाने की ज़रूर से ज़रूर और खूबसूरत तरीके से कोशिश रहेगी. It's beautiful. You can just see this. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, thank you.